I'm Piyush Sharma, 15CS276, and today I'm going to do configuration of dynamic routing protocol. So it basically uses OSPF, which is open shortest path first. It is of two types. It can have single area and multi area. So basically, it is of two versions, V2 and V3. V2 uses IPv4 and V3 uses IPv6. So it's better than static because no, OSPF is better because it chooses the best path for the message and which involves lesser hops. Okay, so here you can see the topology. Here we have two wide area network and three LANs. So we have given the IP addresses to the computers, to the end devices. IP configuration, as you can see here, IP address, subnet mask. Similarly, I have given the IP addresses for all the end devices of all the networks. Then here we have to do the routing configuration here. So we'll go to the router, we'll go to the CLI, and here we have to give the IP addresses to this side and this side. If I put the mouse over the router, you can see here the links which all is up and which all is down, and all the IP addresses which have been given to the router to all the interfaces. So here I have given IP address 10.3, which is the default gateway address for these end devices of this LAN. See, 10.3. Similarly, in this case also I have given 10.3 default gateway for this LAN. Same way I have given the default gateway addresses for all the end devices of the local area networks. Then the steps are same as static routing, but instead of IP route configuration, we have to give network or router OSPF 10. So as I told you before, OSPF is open shortest path first, then you'll give OSPF 10, then you have to give the network and the you have to write network, you have to give the command as network and type the IP network address which is directly connected to it. So for this router, what are the network addresses which are directly connected? It is this is 172.16.20.0/30. As it is 30, we have to give it according to the subnet mask. So for as you can see, okay, let me type it here. (172.16.20.0/30). Okay, as you can see here, this is the IP address given to this network, this WAN. Okay, so it is 172, so it belongs to class A is from 1 to 127, 128 to 191. It belongs to class B, but it is given /30, so you have to write the subnet mask according to that. So here we have borrowed 6 bits, so we have to calculate the subnet mask according to that, which will be 255.255.255.252. Okay, that means there are 31s and 2 zeros. So as I told you before, the subnet mask for this WAN is 255.255.255.252. Then similarly, you have to give for all. There is some network address given for this WAN also and this one also. You'll provide the interface address here for SC30 and SC20, and you'll give the clock time, which is 64,000. Only for those ports on which the clocks are made. Then okay, the network. Okay, for the last command which we are going to type, which is network, the uh, network which is right next to it, we have to write the wildcard subnet mask, which is the inverse subnet mask. Suppose the subnet mask for this area is 255.255.255.0. So the opposite wildcard subnet mask will be 0.000.255. Just the opposite of it. If there are 11 ones and the rest of the digits are 0, then it will be opposite. So there will be 11 zeros and the rest will be 1. So finally we can check it by sending messages or by pinging it. So we'll try to ping this one 30.1 from here. Command prompt. As you can see here, I've already tried to ping it. I'll try to ping it again. Ping. Let us try to ping this one. 20.1. Ping 192.168.20.1. Okay, as you can see, our topology is working properly. It has been configured successfully. So because you can ping, it is pinging. Okay, now for regarding the routing table, we can check it from here. There should be 7 connections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here all the port numbers are given to you and the connection which is right next to it. So as you can see, we have 7 and serial 2/0, it is given to 170.16.10.0. Yeah, okay, it's correct. It is right next to this one. Then for 3/0, 20.0.30. Okay, for serial 3/0, for this one it is 30. Okay, it is also correct. Like this, it is given for all the ports. So this is how dynamic routing is performed. Thank you.